Alright guys, we got the Intex Prism frame pool set. 10 feet, 10 by 30. Got this on Amazon. So here are the legs. We couldn't find the legs, and when I mean we, I meant somebody else. And actually the legs are in here, okay? In case you think they're missing, okay?
Where do you make me some?
Then you connect these
Whatever you make.
to the, not the end with the holes, but the opposite. All right, so we got all 10 of the feet on there. Here's the poles, and so we're doing this next?
Yes.
Maybe you should have smoked one before.
You're a smart man.
Whatever side you're gonna put the pump on, there's the
Those are the round ones.
hole from,
Leave it out. This
and
one's
it gives you the, which one is the flow.
the 10 packs that are over there. One here, and then the feet, which are
Yeah,
those?
the thin ones.
Going through here. Which are interlocking.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Cap it. No, you're gonna cap it.
You can cap it after.
Say what?
You can cap it after.
Oh, look at feet going, man. He likes that. Look, he's in his zone, bro.
Yeah, he was crying earlier. He's excited now.
Hold on, let me edit that out.
Don't Target.
Yeah, they're all gonna be pressured into each other anyway.
Yeah. Just don't try to rip it.
So in the end, you're gonna end up with this.
Stretch right now.
Nah, that was the other one.
All right, so the last one was kind of difficult to put in. But
It's always
you gotta
going
use
to.
some force. It's gonna pull.
You
this
just gotta
a
make
little
sure
bit,
everything is stretched out evenly.
but we got it.
Now we do leg by leg. I am the power. You can say I'm
I don't know. I didn't take them off. Remember, I
that
left
was
them.
40.
Remember, I
That
left
was
them.
40.
You remember, I left them there.
That was
Somebody
40.
throwing them.
We're born in Miami.
It's chlorine.
We're born in Miami.
This guy.
Yeah, now I actually have to like look at the video now.
And that's filter not included. Oh, there it is.
Those are the instructions. Ain't really instructions, but just give you a picture of how it's supposed to look. That's why we're doing this video. There's the instructions. No instructions.
Take those hoses out.
Yeah. Quick question. You'll have to show me.
Okay.
But quick thing: if you live in in Miami-Dade County area, you can call your water district, and they will give you one free fill-up per year for a pool, so it doesn't come out to the charge of your water bill.
What is all this?
This is all that.
You gotta put the cap on.
You just threw the instructions on the floor.
That goes there.
What tight?
The spaghetti strainer goes on the other side.
I was gonna say what tightens these things, but it's got a clamp.
Which kind?
I might be dumb, but I ain't
This one?
This one.
Now my biggest thing is, where does this one go?
That goes here. If I'm correct. Now here in one.
Sugar boom boom.
I didn't know what y'all were talking about.
He got it later.
You had them both together before you did one. Put the cap over it. Oh, that's not a cap.
It's not a.
I just saying all this so you could explain it, bro. Looked like you wasn't gonna explain it. He's still on this one. These clamps, you just bend them like this, okay?
The short hoses go here.
Oh, and then
So they
one
go to
there
the
and then
T,
that
they
one
go to
there.
a Y.
I got you. Nintendo.
No, not that one.
Where's it at?
You.
Sorry,
There you go.
I'm gonna pay. So this was
I
one
gotta
of
take this one,
the
see?
one of the longer
Look.
ones.
If you do come across this,
Yeah, you see how it's crimped inside?
take that back off. It will pop back in place, but that means you use the wrong hose. So put this aside.
Oh yeah, it's not that you use your own hose.
No, regardless of nothing, you just do have to be careful. See,
He said put this in.
just be careful when you do put it on.
Put some of that sweat from your forehead on you.
Basically, that's what's happening. See, it tries to take it in. And play with it, and it will come out right. Then you use this one. Here we go. One more time. That one actually went in straight. The top portion of the pump
The higher one, right?
is your outlet. So it takes whatever's in the
You-
pool
the thing
out.
is, the black thing went, the seal. All right, it's good.
Takes whatever's in the pool out, filters it, and then right back out into the pool.
Let me see.
That's all it took.
Let me see if I could do one thing on here.
You still haven't put that in?
I got it. I beat 40.
This is done.
So now,
We need water.
1, 2, 3.
No, you got to clamp.
Here.
Clamp all that.
Oh, you didn't clamp it? Oh, you giving me crap because I clamped all mine.
No, because I was actually showing process.
So hizo mitad de trabajo. So he technically you're 100% complete. And
No, I am.
he's done
It's hard
5
pressed. Now I gotta
things.
help
He's
him.
done 5 things 25%.
Yeah. No, I did 5 things 100%.
No, you haven't clamped it.
I showed him he was doing it wrong.
And here's the clamp off. In the lead, we got Fido to the right, and
did one
he's
already.
trying to catch up, and they're.
I just felt it on my feet.
40 goes ahead with the win.
Yeah, well, he did 2 and I did 4.
Actually, I did 4.
Actually, I did 4.
Think I have a timer? Yeah, it does have a timer.
I told you, dog. I ain't
He
dumb.
built it, bro.
Yeah, I
he did
forgot.
his research.
My bad. Yeah, that's why he didn't know the poles were in the post. He was all he was
You
flipping.
mad at me?
He was flipping out.
You mad at me? All right, while it gets a little bit filled, we have to like tap it so the
floor stays flat.
the floor
Not-
stays flat.
Yeah,
Oh, you
yeah,
gotta
yeah. Here kicking the wall out so that
when you in there drenching
flat.
yourself after a day of work,
this is all flat.
that's
Okay?
good enough space though, right, Paul?
See how it's
We cut the grass?
there? Keep kicking it out. Once that water gets in there, that weight, you ain't gonna be able to do it.
Yeah, you hold one. It's actually on the wall. So only problem we have is right here so far. Right here. This one. Yeah, just be careful. Whatever you want to concrete, don't keep it so much. You ready? You gotta get more pool right now. It's in the water in it. Sorry for saying that. I'm not even getting ready to put this out of control. There you go. When you get in there, without want to do no, because look, you see right?
Which is like
Alright, let's see how it looks when it's
1,500
done.
Oh.
Okay, guys, so this is the outcome of the pool. Everything's running smooth. There's the pump. Flowing the water. There's your Intex pool.